How to set up POWr feeds. For the purpose of this video, I am going to insert a POWr feed into my own website. Let's start at my landing page. I am in edit mode. You can tell because build is selected. I have already found the feed that I want to insert. It's an Instagram and here it is. Now I need to navigate to the page into which I want to insert this feed. It's the one called Science. If we take a look at this page, we'll see that there are already some feeds inserted. We are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page where I'm going to insert a new feed. Now let's scroll down the left side of the page to find the app that I want to use for this feed. I'm going to use POWr Social App. I grab the app and drag it to the place where I want it to be. This window will pop up and we will have to populate it with the correct information to make our feed work. We're going to start a new feed, so let's click Next, Add Feed, and then we're going to have a list of the types of feeds that we can use. My feed is from Instagram, which is the default, so I don't need to change anything. Here is the feed that I have. It's called Reptiles of America. This is the username of the person or the group that are putting this together. So I copy this and paste it in the box as shown. It's important to know that I could also have used a hashtag, but in this case I am using a username. Now I click Done and I can move on to make a few adjustments. I'll scroll down so you can see the feed. Now I want to add a few design features. So the first thing I'm going to choose is borders. I can change the thickness here and I can change the color. You'll see it change in front of your eyes. I can change a few other things if I wish to, including having some shadow boxes. I'm not going to. That's enough for me. I'm clicking Done. There are a few other things that you could choose, but that's enough for me. Now click Publish. And exit out. So this is what my page now looks like. Let's scroll down, and here it is. However, there is still something missing. I can't just put a feed in and not explain what it is. So let's get ourselves a title, click and drag it in, edit, and now let's give ourselves some text to explain why this feed is here. This is a very short explanation just for the purposes of this video. And there we have it. That is how you put a feed into your website. Don't forget to publish or no one will see your work.